Want to change team in eFootball? In this video, I will guide you through how to change your team in eFootball. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. To change the team, first open your eFootball and go to My Team option. Now go to Game Plan option. Now tap here. Now go to Base Team Settings. Here tap on this first option. Now select your favorite team from here. You can also change this name if you want to. You can change your team anytime you want to. Now go back. Here, as you can see, my team has been changed. That's how you can change your team. What is your favorite team name? Let me know in the comment section. If you still have any problem, comment below. And that's it. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you.